Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to get BetWinner promo codes. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to go to Google. So in the Google search bar I'm going to paste in BetWinner promo codes, and then you'll be brought to a whole list of Google results here. So you can see straight off the bat you've got the latest promo codes in Google's featured snippets here. So if you want to use the code here to get up to X amount on the welcome bonus, you're more than welcome to. Or you can check out other third-party sites and see what promo codes they are offering. So if we want to check out Sporty Trader, we'll go ahead and click into their website, click OK, and then here you go. Here, BetWinner offers you bonus of up to this amount. What you want to do is copy this and then paste this inside BetWinner to receive your bonus up to that amount. These different third-party sites do change their promo codes daily or weekly or even monthly, so be sure to check them out at different stages, and they do expire. So if they expire, just move on to the next promo code and find something that works.